Hello everyone, I'm Emily. Today I'd like to introduce the different cutting focus lengths. The first for the same plate from 1 to 2 mm. Now the focus position is around at 0 mm. At this time, the focus length and the laser power is on the surface of material, and now we can get the very thin and narrow cutting line, and we can get the very fast cutting speed. For the medium thick plate from 2 to 11 mm, we use a positive focus length. At this time, the focus length and laser power is a little high above the material to reduce the thermal damage to the cutting head, and now we can get the very shiny and smooth cutting surface. For the thick plate from 12 to 20 mm with higher power machine, we use a negative focus length. At this time, the focus length and the laser power is inside of the material, so all the penetration power will be very stronger to easily cut off the thick material. If you want to learn more, please follow the TSP.
Great!
Follow TSP.